So I got my outfit on. I've actually had this sweet outfit for over a year now. You won't believe it, but I got these jorts and t-shirt at Rose's for $10. Who would have guessed? All right. No, too fancy, too nice, too risque. Oh, what do we have here? Beat. What kind of collection is this? Oh, that's hot. I'm so excited right now. These are perfect. Now we gotta find some shirts. I don't know what kind of polo shirt to go with, but I think I can find a good one. I can't, like, it's a little bit too fancy. And, like, this one, a little bit too bright. I gotta find a better one, I think. It's kind of just sensible shopping, to be honest with you. Ooh, I think we have a winner. Oh, man. This is looking good. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Look at these beauties. Look at that price. But I'm not buying these shoes. I am all about style, but I'm more about comfort. I want to make sure I've got the most comfy shoe I can find. Alright, I've spent enough time in Rose's for my lifetime, so I'm gonna go make these purchases. Freaking stoked. Effing pumped right now. I got some good stuff, and I got my sweet ride to look up to. Oh yeah, what a good day. Looking fresh. Alright, we're home now. Corvette's looking fresh as always, but wanted to bring you in my garage, did a little bit of reorganizing here. So we got the Rose's goods. Super happy about that purchase, but this is what I'm excited about in this box here. So I made this purchase several weeks ago. I was waiting for the right time to bust them out, and now that I've got the rest of the ensemble, I think I'm ready. So without further ado, this is not the right box, I'm just kidding. I bought these used off eBay, if you must know, because money's a little tight, and you gotta be responsible. Alright, these bad boys are New Balance 813s, and if you might have noticed, they are not Velcro, brother. These are hook and loop for easy in and out, because you never know when you need to put these bad boys on. So let's go over the details. They got a nice sole to them. Got the patented roll bar, which is what you want. Main thing to know about these shoes is that they are a walking shoe. What the hell does that mean? What else do you do in shoes? But they're comfy. They're good to go. They got a nice insole. Like I mentioned, I bought these used because times are tough and you want to be more thrifty, but literally these shoes are brand new. No one's ever even walked in them, so there must have just been some return or something, but my Lanta, like, they smell fresh. I don't mind sniffing them. I got no problem sniffing used shoes, but oh man, these are good, fresh boys. Oh.